Hi, I'm Carter Stanfield, co-author of Fundamentals of HVACR, published by Pearson and now in its fourth edition. In my session, Keeping It Real, I'd like to talk about how to use labs to teach subjects that are normally done through lecture. You can use labs to teach subjects like Ohm's law, inductive reactance, and what capacitors do in a motor circuit. You can do this with materials and tools you already have. You can also branch out and buy a few extra tools and materials to show what happens when inductive reactance shifts the current or when capacitive reactance offsets inductive reactance. Join me, let's have some fun.